Teaches English.
Leron would like to know how to pronounce GS on the end of words like dogs or hugs or bugs. Thanks for your question, Leron. I hope this video helps. Let's start with the g sound of the G. The g sound is velar, which means we should place the back of our tongue between our hard and soft palate. Now, if you touch the roof of your mouth, the hard palate is the hard part. And if you go farther back, you'll find the soft palate, which is soft. I'm not going to touch it because it will make me gag. When you place the back of your tongue up there between the hard and soft palate, the front of your tongue will curl downwards, making a slide. G, g. If you see making a little slide there. G, 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 g. So that's the G sound, or the G sound. Now for the S sound, you're going to do something quite different. You're going to place the center of your tongue up against your alveolar ridge, which is the place behind your top teeth. Here. You can tap on that one without gagging. It's a little bit easier to find with your finger. And you're gonna place a center of your tongue up here and let air slip out. Zzz, 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 zzz. And even though these words end in GS, we're not going to make the S sound. We're going to make the voiced Z sound, because G, G is also voiced. A voiced sound should follow another voiced sound. And as the center of my tongue is on the alveolar ridge, the tip of my tongue goes down behind my bottom teeth. Zzz, zzz. If your tongue comes up a little bit higher, that's fine, that's normal, as long as you're getting that same sound. Zzz, zzz. And my teeth tend to show when I make this sound as well. Zzz. Now let's put them together. Gz, gz, gz. That's a bit extreme. More naturally, if I say dogs, bugs, hugs, wigs. So when we're combining these two sounds, you're going to be ending with the Z sound, so that one will be more pronounced, whereas the G sound is going to get cut off a little bit. So I start my journey towards that G, G sound. The back of my tongue comes up, but then I squish my mouth and my tongue slides up into that Z position. So hugs, hugs, dogs. So again, you do want to make both sounds, but focus more on the Z sound and just think of the G sound as a little stop on your way to that sound. Let's practice the G sound, or the GS ending sound, by reading a couple of tongue twisters. I'm going to start slowly, so read this first one with me. Doug's bugs lay eggs. Frogs like bugs and twigs. Doug shrugs at his bugs and jogs away, waving flags. So I was enunciating a lot, and that's not how it would sound naturally. Let's read it faster, and I'll speak naturally. Doug's bugs lay eggs. Frogs like bugs and twigs. Doug shrugs at his bugs and jogs away, waving flags. Let's do it at that natural speed one more time. Doug's bugs lay eggs. Frogs like bugs and twigs. Doug shrugs at his bugs and jogs away, waving flags. All right, and let's do one more. I'll start slowly again. Pugs are dogs. Pugs' hugs are nice. One pug zigs and zags and tags another pug. Bob watches the dogs, smokes cigs, and the window fogs. So again, I was enunciating a lot. That's not how we would speak naturally. So let's read that faster and say it naturally. Pugs are dogs. Pugs' hugs are nice. One pug zigs and zags and tags another pug. Bob watches the dogs, smokes cigs, and the window fogs. One more time at that natural speed. Pugs are dogs. Pugs' hugs are nice. One pug zigs and zags and tags another pug. Bob watches the dogs, smokes cigs, and the window fogs. So, Lee Ron, I hope that was helpful for you. Thanks again for your question. And thank you guys, as always, for learning with me. I hope you know you're doing a great job, and I hope you know I believe in you. I'll see you soon.